Upgradable smart contracts sound like a great idea. They let you fix bugs and add features after you've deployed your contract. But like anything in the world of smart contracts, there are risks you need to be aware of. The biggest risk is unauthorized upgrades. If someone gains control of the upgrade mechanism, they can change the contract's code to do anything they want, like stealing funds or changing the rules of your application. Another risk is storage clashes. When you upgrade the contract, you need to make sure the new code doesn't overwrite any important data from the old code. If you're not careful, you could lose data or even break the contract completely. Finally, complexity can be a challenge. Implementing upgradable contracts requires a lot of extra code and careful planning. If you're not experienced, you could easily make mistakes that could lead to security vulnerabilities. So, are upgradable smart contracts safe? They can be, but only if you take the necessary precautions. You need to carefully consider who has access to upgrade the contract, design your code to avoid storage clashes, and thoroughly test your upgrades before deploying them.